Ellis Island, and life. Every time they land in New York's Houston Harbor, they can already spend time sightseeing, usually on small overcrowded steamers that set massive ships. They're often excited, exhausted, and anxious about what lay ahead as they near the end of their journey. These immigrants were greeted by a number of overwhelming sights. Many of these same sights are visible to you today. Look at the Manhattan skyline. Imagine the awe these new arrivals must have felt as the city's grand vista emerged above the waves. For days, New York's landscape was like nothing they had ever seen before. Finally, the lumbering steamships docked in New York City's bustling port, and passengers were checked by immigration officials before being allowed into the U.S. Prior to 1892, most immigrants passed through Castle Garden, a former military installation located in Battery Park at the tip of Lower Manhattan. Over the years, it has served as a theater, opera house, and an aquarium. It is now a national crossover as a castle collection. When the federal government took over the promise of immigrants and aliens, by the beginning of the 20th century, thousands reached Irish shores. The opportunity to learn much more about the history and its living since during the visit today. Immigration station complex explore elements. Are available both aboard this vessel and on the main level of the museum. Eating and drinking are permitted only in designated areas. For those traveling with groups of children, the National Park Service requires that there be one chaperone with every